Delhi has been on a high alert situation in the last couple of days after multiple threats of bombs were received in schools and hospitals. There was a similar email sent to the Delhi airport as well. Now, NSG and Delhi police are simultaneously coordinating on an exercise as to what if Delhi's vital installations face any kind of terror threat. You will soon see the exercise get underway at the new Parliament building. The NSG commandos are already taking position here. There is exercise that is planned at the Delhi airport as well and at top schools in South Delhi. What exactly is the exercise being planned? NSG and Delhi police are trying to recreate a situation whereby if a terrorist attack happens, what will be their mode of responding to such a terror attack? A similar exercise was undertaken last year. Just across the corner from the new Parliament building is a top hotel where some of the dignitaries of the G20 were staying in, and at that point also exercise was carried out by NSG in which they tried to ascertain what if vital installations like the ones around us, their main entrance, the main roads leading up to it are blocked by terrorists. What do they do in such a situation? So that kind of a situation is recreated. Even now, down this road, down Kartavya Path, Delhi police has diverted traffic. Traffic movement has been halted. You can see the commandos on my right taking their positions, trying to ascertain what are the steps to be taken. Para-dropping led by Major General level officers is scheduled, we are told, and these operations will be simultaneously carried out at various vital installations. This is to give a sense of confidence. Already the form of training that NSG is undertaking in the last few days is very, different from what they were doing so far. 30 minutes notice, at 30 minutes notice, can these commandos really get ready to move? So you see an ambulance station there, all their paraphernalia, all their gears, they've all put it together. Essentially what they're looking at is if there is a terror attack using a helicopter, using an aircraft within 30 minutes notice from the hub where they are, can they move and ensure that in complete coordination with the local authorities? In this case, we are in Delhi, so the first responder will be Delhi police. So in coordination with Delhi police, how will they really answer if indeed there is a real terror situation? The emails that were sent to Delhi schools, airport and hospitals turned out to be hoax, but it really tested the mettle of the security grid here. There were bomb detection squads, there were bomb disposal squads, there were fire services there, and they carried out a thorough check. More than 200 calls were received across Delhi NCR. A thorough check did not yield any result, but what if a situation like this turned out to be real? How will they respond to such a huge crisis at multiple levels? That is what the current purpose of the exercise is. Even though this is a pre-planned exercise, it wasn't really planned, officials tell us, after this chain email threat. But the idea is to see how multiple agencies really coordinate to ensure that Delhi, rest of the country, vital installations in the rest of the country are kept secure. The NSG paramotors are also getting ready. The wind speed is being checked. The personnel who will be on this motor vehicle is also getting ready. The purpose of this is to carry out aerial recce. Once the helicopter is here, that is one eye that the NSG keeps, the commando keeps, but there are other paraphernalia as well. This is one of them. NSG is getting ready to work in a CBRN environment, which means they are working for chemical, biological, radiological and nuclear weapon, keeping in mind an exigency where all of these four weapons are utilized, and therefore technology-wise also the commando force has now adapted itself. I'll try and give you a glimpse of what the paramotor looks like. It looks like a two-wheeler, but it has the capacity to be up in the air, and that's how the gadget is. And this will be helpful in doing an aerial recce of this entire area. So that is the purpose of this NSG commando training that is going on. Delhi police is also helping them. Delhi police asking us to really move away from this area because it is about to take off. So the exercise has begun. You can see the NSG choppers, taking an aerial round of the area around the Parliament building. What this is essentially doing is preparing for an exigency, for a situation where if there is a terror attack and NSG commandos have to be rushed in at short notice, What exactly will happen? That is the situation being recreated. The NSG commandos are airborne at the moment. This entire area is being sanitized. On the new Parliament building, there will be an attempt to land the commandos if required. On the rooftop, there are already commandos and Delhi police personnel who are positioned on top of the new Parliament building there. The tree here is obstructing the view, but we can see commandos across the new Parliament building terrace area, and the chopper there now hovering on top of the new Parliament building. There you see the rope has been dropped, and the attempt is to help the commandos slither down. So if the terrorists have blocked the entrance point of a crucial area like the new Parliament building, there you see the NSG commandos slithering in. My camera person is zooming in to show you that. That's how they will ensure that the commandos are dropped by air if the main road or the main entrance is blocked by the terrorists. That is what this exercise is meant to prepare the NSG commandos. And then from the roof side, that's the 6th commando, 3rd pair, which is now slithering down that chopper, which is on top of the new Parliament building. And okay, now 2 more. So those are 8 commandos in total. Essentially what they are doing is trying to ensure that via rooftop, they can enter the new Parliament building and go in if the main door and the main entranceway has been blocked. So total 10, and they continue to slither down. So that's the 11th commando who I have spotted, the 12th one. A full team of NSG commandos there slithering in, and this exercise with the Delhi police already on that rooftop, they've managed to sanitize, which means the first step that is taken is to ensure that the rooftop is sanitized, that there is no booby trap there, there's no improvised explosive device there, there's no sniper there waiting for the commandos. Once that sanitization process is over, then the chopper comes in, and from the roof, on the roof of the Parliament building, the commandos are dropped. The ropes are then pulled back. The commandos have taken their position on top of the Parliament building, and the chopper is now flying off after dropping the commandos. So that's the exercise that NSG and Delhi police is recreating outside the new Parliament building. The same exercise will be done at other vital installations like the Indira Gandhi International Airport and also a top Delhi school, just to prepare that in case there is a situation where even civilians are at risk, where civilians like school students are at risk, how to really solve such a situation. The chopper is flying off, the commandos are ready to carry out the next part of their operation.